Good afternoon, Professor. Today I will present a management analysis of Hangzhou Zhenghao Tea Company, a famous Westlink Longjing tea brand in China. I'm going to analyze its market position, core business state, and future development strategies. Thank you for listening. First, let's look at the overview of Chinese tea industry. The domestic tea market exceeds 300 billion yuan, with over 52.4 million mu of the tea grinders. Chinese ranks first globally as the largest tea producer, customer, and trader. Most traditional Chinese tea processing technology will list as uncircle intangible culture heritage in 2022. Green tea, represented by Longjing, plays an important role in our culture and economy. Next, the industrial structures. The tea industry is divided into 4 tiers with obvious hierarchies and the manual effect. Most small and medium tea enterprises only run a single product line and face shrinking market space. For Zhenghao Tea, its the biggest distraction is the location and craftsmanship. It is located in Meijiang, the core product tea area of Westlink Longjing, and inherits the Lu family traditionally brand roast skills, including 10 manual mast and 200 degrees South areas. However, it also faced common problems: rising raw materials and customers' acquisition cost, and the difficult to expand into a national brand. Now, let's focus on revenue and product structure. The company's annual total sales are around 200 million yuan, making it one of the top high-end green tea brands in China. Its product ratio is 7:3, 70% for Westlink Longjing tea and 30% for our diversified teas. Westlink Longjing contribution around 140 million yuan. High-end pure Qingming gift sets take up 40% of total sales, and the mid-range post Qingming Longjing account for 3%. Diversified tea creates 60 million yuan, which relieves the seasonal restrictions of green tea and attracted more customers. Then I will introduce the company's workforce. The group has roughly 150 employees in total, and nearly 100 people work on production, tea roasting, quality control, and R&D. The staff is divided into 3 groups. Together, they form a company talent inheritance system. This page shows production capacity. Zhenghao owns 1,030 mu of production field tea grinders in the productive area and 2 standard factories. Traditionally, manual roasting is extremely labor-intensive. One skilled workers can only make 2 to 3 jin of dry tea per day. To improve efficiency, the company launched a digital smart factory in 2024. Its daily processing capacity rose to 15,000 jin, lift efficiency by over 90% and cut labor cost efficiently. Let's move to raw material science. For product grinding, high-end tea use 100% tea leaves from the corn zoo. Mid-range production sourced over 90% raw materials here, while the Qiantang series use the tea leaves outside Westlink region. Next is the sales channels. Zhenghao adopt a balanced omnichannel strategy. Online and off-online revenue each reached 100 to 120 million yuan every year. To attach the long-term development, the companies put forward 3 major strategies. The first 2 are class membership in inheritance and young talent development. It's building a digital transparency system with the 1D1 code to prevent counterfeiting. It also promotes artisans' IP-built short videos and live streams. Meanwhile, the smart factories create new job roles with systematic training and competitive business. The business successful attracting and retaining young talent. The third strategy is the integration of tea, culture, and tourism. In order to solve the seasonal problems of tea production, Zhenghao plans to building an immersive tea tourism complex. It also devotes tea drinks, snacks, and culture-created products to enrich revenue sources. Competing with online marketing, the brand aims to grow into a top national premium tea brand. That's all my presentation. Thank you.